Hi, I'm Chris with Rocklin Manufacturing. We're at the Automate show here in Chicago. Going to give you a quick tour of our booth, starting with the MobiLase portable 30-watt fiber laser marking system in a suitcase. You can easily move it around anywhere in the factory. And then we have our brand new VarioLase 20-watt portable class 1 fiber laser marking system that can also be converted into a tabletop system. And then we have our Rocklinizer that has been automated with a small robot to show that it has a application in automation situations.
Hi, I'm Bjorn from Markator. I'm here with Rocklin at the Automate show in Chicago. I'm going to show you the fly markers. Fly marker is a mobile marking equipment, 100% mobile, battery driven. You can go wherever you want. You have plenty of options like a bigger window. Barcode scanner is available and many other options. Fly marker is good for rounds, flats and any kind of surface where you need a serial number, part number or anything else. I'm going to show you a quick marking. You place it, pull the trigger and the marking is done. We either have integration equipment available for production lines. For example, the U80, you can have different kind of sizes in our product range. Comes along with the controller and can be hooked up to different kind of communication protocols. We further have an integral, small size, compact marking device, either for integration into production lines, can be hooked up to robots. The robot can bring the parts to it either, or in a leak testing machine, for example.